Hey guys, it's your girl V, and I'm back again. Hey, with another video. Hey, yes, another video. So go ahead and subscribe, okay? Subscribe. That's what I need you to do right now. Subscribe. Full disclaimer, I am not an artist. I am not a painter. So if you are a painter or an artist watching this video, don't get offended. You might feel disrespected that I didn't use the proper brush. But I mean, I'm not a painter. I just literally use what I had around the house, okay? So don't judge me, FYI, okay? So here I used a brush, an old brush that I used to paint the walls with. I use an old brush, literally. I use an old brush, and I think the smaller brush was like an old makeup brush that I don't use anymore. Sometimes I use makeup brushes like to clean keyboards and, you know, little stuff around the house. So that's literally what I use for this project. But it's pretty easy. All you'll need is gray paint. I purchased the gray paint from Walmart, and it was less than $1. That 16 by 20 canvas I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It came in a 2-pack for like $7.99. And then I later on used white acrylic paint as well, which was less than 90 cents from Walmart. Gold metallic paint, gray paint, white paint, and probably 3 different brushes. I used 2 brushes. The white and gray, I just used 1 brush. But keep in mind, before doing this canvas, I literally did not go search for any YouTube videos about how to create an ombre canvas. I just thought, yo, it's ombre canvas, especially it's not something where I'm, you know, using a navy blue and it fades out to sky blue. I'm good. I can do this. It's just gold and gray. The canvas is white. I don't need anything else. Yeah. As you can tell, I put too much gray on the canvas and it was not giving me no ombre effect at all. So I decided to use the gold to see if the gold would kind of play it off a little bit. It did kind of help, but that gray was looking tacky. So luckily I had the white acrylic paint already. So my advice to you is, when you're doing your ombre effect, make sure that the paint brush is dry and put a little bit of gray and just brush 1 stroke going up across the canvas. I think you should get the look that I was looking for. I got too happy. I put too much paint and it didn't come out right. But I fixed it later on, as you can see. But even here, when I placed the white, the color was still picking up. The white was picking the gray. The white was picking up the gray as I was going down, brushing it downwards. So I attempted to grab some napkins to see if I can wipe it off, and it did, but close up it kind of showed that I messed up. So I literally had to go get the white paint and paint the whole thing again, because that's the look that I originally wanted. I did the first canvas, and it came out really nice. And if you follow me on Instagram, you actually see the look, the inspirational canvas that I saw online, and what I tried to recreate, because it's still on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at Destined2Design, or you can like me on Facebook at Destined2Design. But what I ended up doing was playing with it. So what I did was I did it the opposite direction. I placed the white on top, and then I used it from the bottom going up. I put the gray on the bottom and then put the brush strokes going up when I covered the top portion and corrected my mistakes. And then eventually I got the look that I was going for, as you can see. So literally it's trial and error. Once you practice, if you want to start off with a small canvas just to get the hang of it, or even try it on a sheet of paper just to get the hang of it. But like I said, I was not looking at any videos. I thought, ombre, easy peasy, I got this. Yeah, no, that didn't happen. Although my first canvas did come out right. I just thought I was an artist and was like, yeah, I can recreate it. I can do it again. But it wasn't the same exact. But I eventually fixed it. But I absolutely love it though. It came out really nice. I'm going to show you where I used it in the space. And feel free to look at my previous video from this one, just so you can see the complete look of the foyer, because I did install this in my foyer. And I loved it. I loved it. I have 3 more canvases that I want to use, but I want to do something funky, you know, those 3-part canvases where one picture starts here and it continues to the next, and they're adjacent from each other, and it kind of connects. Without one, the picture won't be complete. That's the kind of canvas I want to do next. So I'm still thinking of what I'm going to do, and once I create it, I'll definitely record it. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. Love you guys. Bye.